What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here, live from Encore, Boston Harbor. I am hopping in because I have to use the restroom, but I also want to check out the casino, see what's new. I haven't been here in probably a year. It's a lie. 6 months. I've seen Pauly D here, so I'll walk around and check it out and see what's going on so far. Well, it's almost 11 o'clock and none of the food places are open, so I am currently waiting for Shake Shack to open so I can grab some lunch. But till then, I'm just kind of sitting over here in the sports book, checking it out. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been here, so some new stuff. Well, I usually don't remember much of it at this point, so I'm usually pretty hammered. But yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of wait it out and walk around a little bit more. I got about 10 minutes, so I think I'm gonna do another lap and see what's going on. Well, hardly a bargain. It probably would have been better if I just went to the sit-down restaurant. It cost me $9 for a beer and $16 for a burger and fries. So I'm in the whole $24. This is out of hand, this inflation. This is ridiculous. $24 for something that should realistically cost $10. There's no reason to charge this outrageous price. I know I'm in the casino. I'm not bickering, I'm not complaining, it's just the norm of things that are going on these days. But I'm hungry, and I really have no other option. And I was gonna spend probably $15 anyways if I went somewhere else. So that's regardless of the point. But crazy. This is $22. Like, I don't understand. I just don't understand. This is ridiculous. But Bidenomics, I guess. Everything costs more. Well, I'm outside Encore right now. Just finishing my beer. And it's hot. I'm looking at the new construction site over there. They're going to be starting construction on the addition to Encore pretty soon, which is going to be across the street, so that should be pretty interesting. What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here, and I just wanted to make a big announcement today. Something that we have been launching, something we've been working on for a while. but it's finally starting to come around. We are launching a brand new sports website, entertainment website, and it's going to be called Masshole Sports Network. And you're going to be able to find it at massholesportsnetwork.com. I'm live at the Encore Casino here in Everett / Boston-ish, and I wanted to make the announcement today here because we finally came up with the idea and kind of pushed forward to it while we were here. And I figured what a better place to do it than a great place to bet, great place to hang out, and that's what the website's going to be about: sports, hanging out, all that good stuff. So it's going to be called massholesportsnetwork.com. Check it out. We're going to have podcasts. We're going to have live YouTube video type things, you know, sports blogs, stuff like that. So hope you guys will check it out, and we're going to get this thing started. So it's going to take probably a few weeks till we get this thing off the ground, but for the most part, we are in full stride right now. So it's a beautiful July day here at the Encore. We're celebrating, and hope you guys subscribe. So stay tuned because there's tons of things to come, and more than you can even imagine. So it's gonna be great. It's picture like a Barstool Sports with like a Bleacher Report, mixture of all this stuff. It's gonna be fun. So, you know, it'll be one of those things you can check out every day and have a laugh, contribute to, and you know, it's overall a good time. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share it, and remember, it's massholesportsnetwork.com. All right, we'll see you guys soon. That concludes my visit here at Encore. Like I said, a little disappointed about the price of lunch, but it is what it is. It's a beautiful day here. Encore is great. It's a fun place to hang out. It's going to cost you a little money, but it is what it is. But, you know, just know that coming into the place. But free parking, you know, nice lifestyle of fun. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys very shortly. And also leave your comments below if you been here, anything you like particularly about this place we can share with other people and keep it going. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.